you doing? I'm Jan Manek, Director of Sales with One Stop Systems, and we're here at Supercomputing 19 in Denver, Colorado. So AI on the fly, in a nutshell, is bringing the power of the data center to the edge. And we've got some products here that I'd like to show you today that kind of walks us through the building blocks of building an AI system and what it means to actually be doing AI on the fly. The building blocks for an AI system, simply put, are gathering the information, then we're going to be doing modeling, and then we're going to be training our AI system, and then applying inferencing in the field or at the edge, and then doing retraining. So I've got some products here today I'd like to show you that walks you through each of those steps. So this first product that we're looking at for gathering data, this is actually a 200 terabyte data recorder. This particular device is mil-spec, ruggedized, goes in an airplane, and ingests all the data that we need to create our AI system. Once this data is taken from the field, it's typically brought back into a data center environment or a corporate IT environment where the modeling can be done. And this modeling is typically done on heavy compute power, lots of GPUs, lots of CPUs. We have a couple products here that do that as well, like our CA16000. This holds 16 GPUs connected to a single server, as well as our SCA8000, which runs on NVLink and focuses on high peer-to-peer bandwidth. Once that modeling is done, a small subset of that model is actually put into the data scientist's hands, and we can do that on this workstation here. We have a PNY certified data science workstation that allows the data scientist to do a small subset of that modeling, while the larger chunk is actually being done in the background in the data center. Once that modeling is done, we apply that to a training algorithm. The training can then be put on small systems. We have a small embedded system here, for example, that for food processing applications or manufacturing line or logistics can handle simple pre-trained models. Where it gets a little bit better for inferencing is when we start looking at these larger systems and being able to apply the inferencing on the edge while the system is, so it can be retrained. So some of these more simple systems, like this embedded system that we have here, can do pre-trained models, but they can't apply and relearn. They have to be taken out of the field and relearning. So what we like to do is bring the power of the data center to the edge, so it allows the model to retrain itself on the fly, and that's the whole AI on the fly application. So this system here can actually be comprised of Tesla T4s, which are great for inferencing. You can have your storage and you can have your CPU power all at the edge of the data center, so it's constantly learning in the environment that it's in. So customers that benefit from AI on the fly, there's a lot of edge applications now. So customers that are currently having some compute power at the edge but learning on pre-trained algorithms. One of the bigger markets we see right now for wanting to retrain the AI system at the edge or AI on the fly, autonomous driving is a great example. This is an environment that is random. You can have weather acts, random events that a computer on a pre-trained model wouldn't be able to react to. So AI on the fly is a great application for an autonomous driving as a perfect example. So over the summer, NVIDIA made an announcement that the CUDA now has support for ARM computing. What we're showing here is our SCA8000, which is an expansion system that connects over PCI Express to an ARM computer that sits below. So essentially now we're able to run a bunch of GPUs off of an ARM processor, something that we've never been able to do before. So we're here today with Marvell and NVIDIA showing a live demo and just the immense compute power that you can now get from ARM computing. This is the year of Gen 4 for One Stop Systems. So PCI Express Gen 4 doubles the performance and throughput of Gen 3, up to 256 gigabits of performance over the cable. And we've got a couple different systems here, including this live demo we're running with our 4U value line, which is a full end-to-end solution running at full Gen 4. We're really excited about it, and we see a lot of applications going into 2020 where this could be a great use. Thanks for stopping by, and if you have any more questions, please visit us at onestopsystems.com.